What's up, guys? It's Migs with Market Open. Let's go ahead and do the Market Open recap. As you can see, I am down $354. So this is a reason why I have my rules and why you have to take note of how you're feeling when you take certain losses and you need to step away. So this is definitely a very good example. I took 3 trades this morning and they were all red. Basically, all went against me immediately. And one of my rules is if I take 3 trades and they're all red, then I need to step away. So let's start off with the first trade I took this morning was OSTK. OSTK was my first trade, and it was my initial. It had my interest basically at the very beginning. It was my main candidate for a short. And let's see here. Let me back up. So I shorted OSTK. Let's see here, right at 947. It actually ended up not. It ended up selling off and not really pulling back. So let's see here, 947. 47. Yep. So 947 right here, I shorted it as it broke the 39.60 mark. I got filled right at 39.45. Of course, I get filled right at the very bottom, and then it immediately held VWAP and then started going back up. So I got kicked out of that at 40.25, lost 80 bucks. So initially, my stop was actually up here at the, I believe it was 40.40. Let's see here. Nope, 40. I think it was going to be up here at the 40.40 mark. Yeah, so right here at the 40.40 mark, I waited for it to fail. And as it made this lower high, I just put my stop here. If you notice, it came up and it kicked me out, so I got kicked out right at 40.25. So better than losing the 120 bucks that I would have lost up here at 40.40. Okay, so the second trade I took, well, second and third trade I took was actually on Facebook. Initially, Facebook this morning was on a tear. It went straight up, and I missed this initial pullback, but I didn't really quite trust it since it broke down below the VWAP in the 9. But it immediately got bought up and made this move. Now, so I usually only trade the first and second pullbacks. I was waiting for another pullback, and it gave me this. So pulled back to the 9. It held. My entry was here over the high, so I went long. Let's see here. I went long at 161.30, and then this candle happened. So I got kicked out right at 160.41. Ended up losing like 180 or so. And then I was watching for the VWAP bounce. If you notice, it bounced here at the 160 mark several times. So bounce, bounce, bounce. And so the next candle to make a new high, which is going to be my entry, it was 160.81. So I got triggered 100 shares right at 160.80. And I got kicked out very next candle, basically. That's 3 trades in a row, all red. So that immediately told me that it's just not my day and go ahead and take my losses. So ended up the day down $354, and I'll just be done for the day. It's not that big of a deal. It's within the range of what I'm comfortable with. So, and I had a pretty big day yesterday. So it's not a big deal. You just have to take note of how you're feeling during the time. I was definitely obviously frustrated. Losing 3 trades in a row is it's like a punch in the gut, really. I mean, sometimes you can literally almost flip a coin and have better luck than this, but you just have to take note of that you're feeling frustrated and you don't want to make any moves or any trades that you don't want to, because the market can definitely stay more irrational than you can stay solvent. That's definitely one of my favorite sayings. If you try to fight the market, you're most likely going to end up losing. You're going to end up losing a lot of money. So just take note of that. Be done for the day. And that is it for the market recap today. If you guys have any questions, make sure to put them down in the section below in the comment section. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe. You guys will get notifications every time that I put up a new video. Also, make sure to join our Facebook group. The watch list is posted up every single day for you guys to be able to profit off of. That is also down in the description below, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.